This is Daniel Froelich, ready to cream all your faces. Booyah! Uno, dos, kicking the feet. Got a little bit of dip. Yes. Yes. Here we go. In the gate shot. Yeah, that's right. Professional. Okay. This guy's cream. You see this? See the big guy there? Right there. Daniel. Blue. With the bat. Oh yeah, home plate. Sorry guys. It's the winning shot. Boom. Chick. Oh. Damn, see, he got his player all the way. Where's that Daniel? Right there. He's running like hell. Whoa. He's right there. Ooh yeah. Crowd goes wild. Nice job, Daniel.